Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing another day in the life vlog. It is Monday once again, and so I was going to do one on Friday and then I kind of only filmed a few clips for it and then didn't really do anything else. So I'm doing one today instead. I got up and took a shower this morning, and little man and the hubby and we've just hung out this morning a little bit before doing anything else. I am now sitting down to read my Bible. I have finished up my coffee and I'm about to eat a Pop-Tart. And I've got my water over here, and then, oh, don't mess with my coffee, thank you. And then once I'm done with this, I'm going to get up and we're gonna work on doing some cleaning around the house. I don't have a ton to do this morning, which is really nice, but I do have some to do. And I'm gonna be tackling that shelf over there today at some point. Organizing it, getting books out here and stuff like that. And then with getting books out here, it's also going to end up, I'm going to be organizing our room a little bit. So hopefully this will be a little bit of a longer vlog today, but even if it's not, I hope that you guys enjoy. All right, you guys, I got my Bible reading done and we've just been hanging out for a little bit. And now it is time to clean the mess that is behind me. It's not really that bad. I'm gonna time lapse me cleaning the kitchen, doing the dishes, switching the laundry, just kind of all of it, and post it. So I hope that you guys enjoy this next little section of the video that is just going to be a time lapse, and then I will be back to chat with you all. All right, you guys, I have gotten the kitchen cleaned up. I've got to put these coffee mugs away. And then I got the living room about as cleaned up as it's gonna get. He decided to take apart the blocks as I was putting them together to put them away. Entryway looks to be pretty good for right now. I've still got to go clean up the bathroom. I'm probably gonna do that though once he goes down for a nap. He's starting to get a little bit tired. He was laying on the ground with Patches and Teddy earlier, so probably gonna put him down for a nap here around 11 o'clock. That's in about 10 minutes or so. But yeah, cleaning and being pregnant just gets you so out of breath every single time. But I got all the inserts put into the dryer. I have all the diapers hanging to dry, and then I'm gonna stuff those later today. And then I have a load of laundry in the wash machine right now, and then I've gathered all of the other dirty clothes and put them in the laundry room so that way I can easily start that load tomorrow. And then I've got to take these 2 bags of trash out at some time. But yeah, I hope that you guys are enjoying today's video so far. If you've made it this far, tell me down below what your favorite color is. My favorite color is purple, and probably my second favorite color is pink. Alrighty, he just went down for a nap. I think I'm gonna sit and crochet until my husband gets home for his lunch break. I am gonna be attempting to make a checkered blanket. I'm making these little, it's kind of like a lavender, like dusty color, but I'm making little rectangles out of these. And then I have a gray color that I'm gonna be making other rectangles with, but my goal is to work on making a total of 6 of these today, so I still have to crochet 4 more. But yeah, I guess we shall see how long this project takes. Also, this yarn is really, really soft. Pretty sure it's just 100% acrylic, but it is super soft yarn. Alright, my hubby is now on the way home for his lunch break. I made these yesterday. He had some of them for dinner, and then we saved the rest of them so that way he could have them for lunch today. He also has requested a cup of coffee, so I'm gonna make that for him as well. Also, I need to get my enchilada out of the oven, and my lunch will be ready too. Enchilada. The hubby has left and is gone back to work now. I am just gonna keep watching New Girl, and then I'm gonna start crocheting a little bit more. I did I think like maybe 3 rows while he was here, and then I made myself a cup of coffee. I have no idea how long little man is gonna be sleeping, so I'm gonna take advantage have this quiet, calm time right now and just continue to crochet and enjoy my coffee and enjoy my TV show. I also got myself a Dove dark chocolate because, you know, why would I not have one? So whenever he wakes up, I'm going to start going through the books on the bookshelf. I'm going to take out all of the books that I plan on keeping. I'm going to take them all out and put them on my bar over here. And then once I have them on the bar over here, I'm going to get a chair and I'm going to work on moving some things around on this shelf so that way I have a space for the books. And then I'm going to get all of the books that I plan on keeping put out here. If it does not fit on this shelf out here, I am not keeping it. And then I'm gonna get some boxes out of the little closet out there and put some boxes together and throw a whole bunch of books in there so that way I can take them to Goodwill hopefully today and go ahead and like get that out and get that done, just so that way it's not something that I continue to stress out about. But yeah, so that is gonna be today's project. At some point I wanna tackle the closet in that room. It kind of has all of like the baby stuff in it and little man's clothes and the new baby's clothes, and so I really want to organize that space as best as I possibly can so that way it's like really organized, it doesn't stress me out. So I'm probably gonna do that tomorrow. If I do that tomorrow, I'll probably film it and film like my process of it and then like upload it later this week sometime. But yeah, I don't really know. I think I hear Enzo in there, so I think that he is up from his nap. I have completed a total of 4 squares. I need to crochet 2 more by the end of the day because my goal is to get 6 done today. So 2 more to go. I finished up 4 of them. I think once he is up and he's eaten something, I think that we might try and go on a 10 or 15 minute walk. I'm trying to make that a habit every day, 10 to 15 minutes. I'd rather go in the mornings, but this morning we didn't go. So we're gonna go this afternoon, but we're gonna make it a habit and we're gonna do it. Guys, I did it. I showed you guys the before and after already in the video, but I cut down my book collection and I got it all to fit up here. This is 2 rows of books. These are like all of my fiction books and everything. And then this right here is all of like my Christian books, Bible studies, and Bibles. And then in here are some toys that Enzo gets to play with, but we don't let him have just like all the time. And then his coloring stuff is right here and crayons. And then that's a letter that my dad wrote whenever I first moved out. And then up top, I have my illuminated New Testament, little set that my mother-in-law got for me. And then 2 things that I don't want Enzo to play with are up there, plus some of our games and puzzles. Down here, we've got a diffuser. And then I have my weights, our Wi-Fi, this little gal, which I'm not gonna say her name, and then this little decorative piece right here. But I think it looks so good. And I'm so excited, you guys. Also, I just have to tell you guys, I started watching Little House on the Prairie again. I kind of started in season 6 instead of like way at the beginning. But Nellie, I just forget how much she just drives me insane. But yeah, I've already been quite annoyed with her so far. I'm on season 6, so it's when Almanzo comes in. So if you know, you know. Also, I took everything off of this shelf, but I'm about to hang something up on the wall and then put the things back on that shelf. And then I'll be back to show you guys what. All right, you guys, I got this done right here. All of the oils that are on this shelf are gonna be kid-friendly oils. Aside from these, they're the kids line from Young Living, but not all of them are 100% kids safe. But some of these I do like to use for me or my husband, so I like to keep these ones out. Easy to reach, but all of these right here are oils that are 2+ safe and ones that can be used with babies. I know the ones that are those. And then we've got, this is an ultrasound of Enzo, and then this little fake plant. I got this at Hobby Lobby like 2 years ago, I think. And then this right here, we just put coins in. And then this right here, when I had plants, I would water them, but we're doing a garden on the balcony, so I'm still gonna keep this so that way I can water the plants out there. And then one of my sisters painted this whenever I was pregnant with Enzo. I'm gonna have to get her to do a giraffe for the new baby since his little animal is gonna be giraffes. Okay, as much as I don't want to work out, I'm going to work out. I'm gonna do either a 10 or 15-minute workout. I think I'm gonna do just like a cardio workout today. I'm not gonna bring out the weights, and I am gonna go put on workout clothes for that today. And then since I'll be in the workout clothes, hopefully whenever my husband gets home from work, we can go on a family walk together. But yeah, so I'm gonna be getting out of this dress here in just a second. But yeah, I'm gonna work out. Are you gonna work out with me? Are you gonna work out with me? Not gonna say anything? Yeah. No. Okay. Okay, guys. I have changed, obviously, and I've decided that I'm gonna do a 20-minute Grow with Joe workout. I will try and remember whenever I upload this to link the video that I'm doing in the description for you guys. But I'm doing a liquid IV because I feel not really super dehydrated, but I feel like I could just use one. I'm using the passion fruit. The powder just attacked me. Doing passion fruit, I'm currently mixing it up right now. I like to try and mix it up really, really well into like room temperature water. And then I swear liquid IV is only good if you put ice in it. So now that we're all mixed up, nice. I filled this up way too much earlier today, you guys. Oh my goodness. Now it's trying to like just break out as one cube. Okay, there we go. Hi, dude. Ghettos. Oh, you found Skettos. You found Ghettos. Skettos. Maybe we can have some of those for dinner, okay? But we can't have them right now. Yeah, can I see them? Thank you. All right, I will be back after my workout. I finished my workout. I did a 20-minute morning Tabata workout. No, it's not morning, but it was just one of the first videos that I saw, and I was like, you know what? I want to do this one. So it's Grow with Joe. I will link it in the description down below so that you guys can do it. My total time was 23 minutes because there was like 3 different ads that showed up and none of them were skippable. And then my active calories burned was 120 and my total calories was 156. And I did my Apple Watch setting on mixed cardio. But yeah, so I'm gonna go and sit and just kind of chill for a little bit. Probably gonna grab a protein shake and drink that. And I'm going to work on crocheting those last 2 squares. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog right here. I have 5 of the squares done. I'm gonna get the 6th one done before I go to bed tonight. But yeah, I don't really know what we're gonna do for dinner yet tonight. I'm probably just going to do leftovers. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below and share this with your friends if you want to. I would love to hit 200 followers by the end of subscribers by the end of this month, and we're at 123 right now. So yeah, I appreciate each and every one of you, and thanks for watching. Bye.